everyone, this is Coco from Gosmilo. Today let's see what's in our new box of Gosmilo X5. Here is outside box. You can see it's very hard. You can protect your package in the shipping. And now let's see what's inside. Here is two phone box. It also can ensure that you receive the board in perfect situation. Now, let's see some accessories. This is the charger. All American players will receive the charger in American standards. Here is our gift for you. It's a little handle. You can tie it on the board and hold it very easily. This is menu. The menu is all in English. You can read it very easily. See, there are some writing chips in the menu. Read it before you use it to protect yourself. And it also will teach you how to link the app. And now let's see the new board. Wow, the package is really tight. See, here is the outside of our board. It's all new. When you receive it, it's well packaged. And this is the fender of the Gosmilo X5. And here is the rear guard. And now let's take out the bolt. Help me. Okay? Here you can see the board very clearly. Now you can see here is the rear guard. We also have other colors for our Gosmilo X5 and X1 Plus and 3. Let's see. If you order the X5, you can choose the yellow or the green one. And if you order the X3 and the 1 Plus, maybe you can choose the green one and the blue one. And what I need to say is that all the rear guard and the fender is for free. As I know, if you order the one wheel, you need to pay more about $200 for these accessories. But we get to you for free. Once more, if you order in May, we also have a gift for you. What's it? It's a new upgrade kit. If you use this, you can have the same feeling of one wheel while riding. Okay, let's see what's in it. Okay, here is a new sensor and pair of great footpad set you can get. And the color is in red. Okay, what's in our Gosmilo X5 box? Now if you are interested in our board, you get our online shop. Follow us, save your money. Bye bye.